Welcome to our Advanced Ethical Hacking and Penetration Testing with Gen AI course, where we dive deep into the principles, techniques, and evolving landscape of cybersecurity. In this program, you will gain a solid understanding of the foundations of ethical hacking, including methodologies, tools, and best practices used to identify, analyze, and mitigate security vulnerabilities. What sets this course apart is its focus on how generative AI, Gen AI, is transforming penetration testing, automating reconnaissance, generating sophisticated attack simulations, and enhancing vulnerability discovery with unprecedented speed and precision. We will cover both traditional and AI-driven approaches, ensuring you can adapt to the latest advancements in the field. By the end, you'll be equipped with practical skills and cutting-edge knowledge to ethically test, secure, and protect systems in a rapidly evolving digital threat landscape. Ethical hacking is the practice of conducting authorized and controlled attempts to access systems, applications, networks, or data using the same techniques, methodologies, and tools employed by malicious hackers, but always within clearly defined permissions, boundaries, and legal frameworks. Unlike cybercriminal activities, ethical hacking is never random, unauthorized, or destructive. Instead, it follows a structured approach, often based on established security testing methodologies to thoroughly examine potential weaknesses. The primary objective is to discover and address vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors, thereby strengthening security measures. By simulating real-world attack scenarios, ethical hackers provide valuable insights that help organizations safeguard sensitive information, maintain system integrity, ensure compliance with security standards, and protect against data breaches and operational disruptions.
Ethical hacking delivers measurable real-world benefits by proactively identifying and addressing security weaknesses before they can be exploited. For example, in 2020, the vulnerability disclosure platform HackerOne assisted Twitter in uncovering a flaw that could have exposed private tweets, preventing potential breaches of user confidentiality. In 2023, Tesla demonstrated its commitment to security by rewarding ethical hackers with $10,000 for discovering flaws in its application programming interface, API, ensuring that critical systems remained protected. Similarly, the U.S. Department of Defense's Hack the Pentagon program revealed the power of collaborative cybersecurity. In just 24 days, ethical hackers identified 138 vulnerabilities, allowing them to be remediated before malicious actors could exploit them. These cases underscore the pivotal role ethical hacking plays in safeguarding organizations, protecting user data, and reinforcing public trust in digital systems.
Ethical hacking refers to the practice of authorized security testing performed with the intent to improve systems and protect data. This includes activities such as penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, and participation in bug bounty programs, where security experts identify weaknesses so they can be fixed before malicious actors exploit them. In contrast, black hat hackers operate illegally, engaging in harmful activities like deploying ransomware, stealing sensitive data, and breaching systems for personal gain or sabotage. Gray hat hackers fall into a middle ground. While their intentions may be to help, they conduct testing without authorization, which can still cause legal and ethical concerns. Additionally, corrupt authorized hackers, often referred to as insider threats, exploit their legitimate access for malicious purposes, making them particularly dangerous. Clearly, understanding these categories is essential for creating strong cybersecurity strategies that address both external and internal risks effectively. Traditional ethical hacking has long depended on manual testing, human creativity, and methodical problem solving to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in systems. While effective, this approach can be time-consuming and limited by human capacity. The integration of generative artificial intelligence, GenAI, is transforming this process by significantly enhancing vulnerability discovery, automating complex exploit generation, and streamlining comprehensive reporting. AI-driven tools can analyze massive datasets, detect subtle security flaws, and simulate sophisticated attack scenarios with remarkable speed and accuracy. However, this technological leap also introduces new challenges. AI is now being deployed not only to defend systems, but also by malicious actors to develop advanced adaptive threats. This dual use of AI has created an ongoing and dynamic cybersecurity arms race where both defenders and attackers continuously evolve their tactics. In this rapidly shifting landscape, staying ahead requires mastering both traditional skills and AI powered strategies.